In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the notes has disappeared from your iPad. Now, there are two ways to look at this issue. The first is that the Notes app itself has disappeared from the home screen of your iPad. So in that case, just swipe down from the home screen of your iPad and in the search bar just search this. And after you search Notes, you will find the Notes app on your iPad. But for example, if you have deleted the Notes app by mistake, then in that case, just open the App Store and in the search bar, just search this. And from here, you will be able to install the Notes app on your iPad. Now, this was the first method. The second is that all your notes from the Notes app has disappeared automatically. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just tap on this icon and open this panel. And after that, just tap on this icon and open all the Notes section. Now, if you're unable to find all your notes in the Notes app, then in this section, just go to the recently deleted section. Now over here, just look if you have deleted all your notes by mistake or not. If you have deleted your notes by mistake, then just swipe on the note which you want to recover and select Move. From here, just select the folder where you want to move your notes. For an example, I will select this folder. Now after you do that, you will recover the notes which you have deleted. Just like that. Now, if you're unable to find the recently deleted section, or if you're unable to find your notes in the recently deleted section, then in that case, just go to your home screen and open Settings. And under Settings, just tap on your Apple ID. From here, just tap on iCloud, then tap on Save to iCloud. Now just tap on Notes and make sure to enable Sync this iPad. If this toggle is disabled, you will not be able to sync all the notes which are saved on your iCloud to your iPad, because of which all the notes which are saved on your iCloud will not be available on your iPad, so make sure you enable this toggle. Now if you have done that and if your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, in the main settings page, just tap on General, then tap on Software Update. Now first of all, just check if you have any update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPad, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. And after you do that, then just go back to the general settings and tap on iPad storage. From here, just scroll down and look for the Notes app. And after you find the Notes app, then just tap on it and select Offload. Now just select Offload app. And after you do that, you will delete the Notes app from your iPad, but you will not delete the data which are saved in the Notes app. Now after you offload the Notes app, then just tap on Reinstall app and you will reinstall the Notes app on your iPad. Once you finish reinstalling the Notes app, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And this is how you can fix if the notes on your iPad has disappeared. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.